And here's an old Ford pickup at the junkyard. Guessing it's what, 65, 66, somewhere in there. I'm not a Ford pickup expert, but it's somewhere in there. Still got the engine in it. Got like add-on air conditioning. Guessing that's probably a 352 2-barrel. There's that power steering. A lot of moss growing on it. Driver's door is missing. Box is beat up. The forklift monster got it there. A lot of dirt in it. Apparently somebody needed a door. A lot of junk inside it. Steering wheel, dash cluster's gone. Manual transmission. I got some kind of 3-speed shifter in it. And it smells like rotten gas, big time. There's some kind of add-on air conditioning. Maybe I'll go around the other side and show that. Really rust-wise, it's getting kind of rusty there, but box don't look that rusty. Light spoke wagon wheels. It's got a 9-inch under, no nodular. If I had that, I'd be taking it. Bunch of junk in the back. Gas can rod out. Bumper cables. Beat up on this side too. Mud dauber and wasp nest. Hopefully there ain't any flying around. Forklift monster probably got it there too. Looks like it's got all 4 of those wagon wheels. And on the front, some Easter eggs. Basketball. This thing's plain nasty inside. Little cassette tape. Awesome stereo. Realistic. And there's the under dash. And on air conditioning. Mark 4. I think I might take that. Pretty nasty in there. Engine API classification. These oils designated for heavy duty service. These oils designated. Let's close that shut. That's nasty. Other than that, wheels messed up. The hood's a piece of junk too. Don't want to shut. Hinges are kind of rusted up. Not a lot on it that I want. It's a nodular 9-inch. So. Nah, I love you, dog. Just don't bite me.